His Majesty Philip, King of the Belgians. This document provides an overview of His Majesty King Philip of Belgium, detailing his life, reign, and contributions to the Belgian monarchy and society. As the seventh King of the Belgians, King Philip has played a significant role in modernizing the monarchy and fostering national unity in a diverse nation. Early life and education. King Philip was born on 15 April 1960, in Brussels, Belgium, as the first child of King Albert II and Queen Paola. He was educated at prestigious institutions, including the Royal Military Academy, where he completed his military training, and the University of Leuven, where he studied political science. His education also included studies abroad, notably at Stanford University in the United States. Ascension to the throne. Following the abdication of his father, King Albert II, on 21 July 2013, Philip ascended to the throne as King of the Belgians. His coronation marked a new chapter for the Belgian monarchy, with King Philip pledging to serve the people and uphold the values of democracy and unity. Role and responsibilities. As king, Philip's role is largely ceremonial, but he actively engages in various state functions and represents Belgium on the international stage. He has worked to strengthen Belgium's ties with other nations and promote the country's interests abroad. His commitment to social issues, including sustainability and cultural diversity, has been a hallmark of his reign. Modernization of the monarchy. King Philip has been instrumental in modernizing the Belgian monarchy, making it more accessible and relevant to contemporary society. He has embraced new communication methods, including social media, to connect with the public and promote transparency within the royal family. His efforts to engage with younger generations have helped to maintain the monarchy's relevance in a rapidly changing world. Conclusion. His Majesty King Philip of the Belgians continues to serve as a symbol of national unity and continuity in Belgium. Through his dedication to public service and commitment to modernizing the monarchy, he has earned respect both at home and abroad. His reign reflects the evolving nature of monarchy in the 21st century, balancing tradition with the demands of a diverse and dynamic society.